Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Friday, July 18th, 2025. Guys, it's a new day filled with new opportunities. We're here to capitalize on these opportunities. Again, guys, we're not trying to win every single trade. We understand that trading is a probabilities game and each trade has its own random outcome. We're here to make sure we follow the plan, we execute the best of our abilities. Doesn't matter if it's a winner or a loser, but as long as we take the valid setup every single time, the long term, our edge will continue to play out. So it's Friday, guys. Let's go finish off the week on a good note and let's get into it.
Order filled.
All right, guys, there's the entry right there. We are in. Let me go ahead and adjust my stop losses and all that. We have some trade copy issues right now. I have to manually go through every single one and adjust these, so it's not ideal here. And that's kind of why I've been just waiting, not taking many trades here. But we are in. I'll explain this one here. So we created this low. This is the swing pivot. This is the change of state of delivery. We need price to close above that to give the change. So we're still in a bearish downtrend. Price came through here, created a 2-minute change of state delivery here, down, bearish. Created this gap, waited for price to come back, pull into it, and we jumped in on the trade. So here we are, valid setup. Again, don't control the outcome, don't control what happens. Stop losses at the swing pivot high, 32, and we'll see how it all plays out. So I'll update you guys here in a little bit, and I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, looks like we might be getting stopped out here pretty close to the exit there. About a point away. And bingo, there you guys have it. All right, guys, so that's one trade, down -1R. Not too crazy, nothing terrible here. We can easily come back from this. Currently 8:33, so no more trades, as you guys know, for us right now. We're going to come back probably an hour and a half and just come back after lunch and reevaluate the chart, see what levels we can have and any trades we might take. So I'll be back in a little bit and I'll update you guys when we're back. Hey guys, so we are back, currently 10:02, so we are allowed to trade again. Emotions decently well kept in check. I keep replaying over my mind again the loss we took and how I don't want to finish the week red or the day in a loss, but I still managed to keep my composure and not get on the charts, not trade during lunchtime, keep following my rules. And now what we're going to do is 100% look for the next valid setup that presents itself. Even though the last one was a loser, I understand that the probabilities are in my favor. If I continue to take the same valid setup every single time over the long term, the probabilities will play out. So that's what we're going to do right now in this PM session, after lunch session. And we're going to try to find the next valid setup, make sure we enter it. The outcome, again, that's not what we're in control. We're in control of the process of making sure we take the valid setup. So I'll be back in a little bit, see what setups we can get, and I'll update you guys in here shortly. All right, guys, potential long here. If we get the fill, just need price to come down a couple more points. And I'll go ahead and explain this one. So you guys see here, lunch was over right here at 10 o'clock. Price came down here, gave a bearish change of state of delivery. So we were bearish. Once price came through here, order fill, we just got filled there. Once price came through here with a nice decent sized gap, that's telling me that the buyers are in the market potentially for a reversal and a move up. So waiting for price to come down, pull into this gap right here, and that's the reasoning behind it. 100% valid per my rules, per my setups, and that's why we're in it. So now we're just going to wait and see. Again, guys, I don't control anything. The outcome is all random. It is what it is. It's going to be what it's going to be, and I'm just making myself available in the markets and let the probabilities play out. So we'll see how it plays out, and I'll update you guys in a bit. All right, guys, here we are back on the charts. Kind of want to update you guys. It's been about almost 2 hours since I entered this trade. Got in at 10:20, it's currently 12:18, so we're about a minute and 20 seconds away from it being a full 2-hour trade. A lot of thoughts keep coming through my head, guys. I just want to document this and note it. I get the same little voices in my head that most of the traders do get, and I've been dealing with since every single trade that you enter, right? Little voices in my head telling me, okay, this double top sold off. Might want to break even here because if price continues lower, we already double top, like it's a rejection, sell off. Possibility when price comes up here and rejects again, ooh, you might want to get out. This large wick candle above this double top, like it's a lot of stuff, guys. If you're just trying to overanalyze the market, that's the reason why I stopped doing that. And I accept the risk, I accept the probabilities. Whatever happens in this trade, that's what's going to happen. I'm in it now. I haven't been stopped out yet. I haven't hit take profit yet, so it's just a waiting game, guys. Just got to let the probabilities play out. Understand that trading is random. You see your trade, you see your setup that has your edge, you take it. And that's all you can do, right? Being super patient, super disciplined, waiting for those setups is the #1 key. And then once you're in it, you got to execute to what your strategy says. So right now, we're just going to keep waiting. Price can still continue to go up, down, all around. 12:20, we got a couple minutes before market on closing balance, and I'll update you guys with whatever happens next. All right, guys. So if you guys see up here, 12:45, as you guys know, move my stop loss to break even before 5 minutes before market on closing balance. That's one of my rules. Got to stick to it, and we're gonna see how it all wants to play out. So no more risk on this trade. The worst we could do today is a -1R. We're locking in that risk, and we'll see here how the market on closing balance wants to play, or if price wants to push back and stop us out before we get there. So I'll update you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, so market on closing balance is about to come out. You guys see the clock here in about 10 seconds. Just wanted to record, see if we get any movement, and right before it happens. So let's see, in 4 seconds is about to come out. Usually price is super volatile, but depending this chop right, or today is kind of just not really doing much. So we see, I'll just record for a little bit, see what direction price wants to go. And looks like it's pushing higher, but usually it does a little fake out and then rejects and reverses the opposite way. And then usually around 12:55, whatever direction it was going, it either goes strongly in that direction or just completely reverses and does the whole opposite. So not much there, but I'll update you guys here closer to the market close. Okay, guys, here we are in the charts. Trade finished out, closed out the position, took a manual exit. Well, actually, my fund of futures closes me out at 110. I just decided to close all the other accounts at the same time every day just to, just because I'm forced to be out, and I just take everything out at the same time. So finished off the trade plus 1.07R. Slight green on the day. If you guys see here are the P&Ls for the day. Again, basically break even, slight green on the day. With all the accounts, it kind of adds up though. Finished off the day with 2 trades, 1 partial winner, 1 loser. Here you guys have it. And here are the trades execution. In that trade for almost 3 hours, 2 hours and 50 minutes, guys. Pretty long trade. And here, my fund of future accounts basically break even on these two. Tradeify accounts basically break even. One thing I kind of wanted to show you guys is my data, my journal that I keep, just to track my figures and all that, see where I finished off on the week. On Monday, finished off the day with 5 trades, basically break even. Tuesday, finished off again with 5 trades, plus 1R, $408 green that day, pretty decent. Wednesday, finished off the day with 2 trades, plus 2R, $452, best day of the week right there. Thursday was a losing day. Finished off the day with 5 trades, minus 1R. You guys see here, we took 3 losses that day and still only down 1R. Pretty decent risk to reward. And the winners, they just keep accumulating and they take out 2 losses. So it is pretty good. Today, finished off the day with 2 trades, basically break even again. Here I wanted to show you guys, not including the break-even trade, so only 17 trades, finishing off the week with a 40% win rate. If you guys saw my strategy video and my backtesting video, you guys saw my win rate is close to 40%. And with 40% win rate, you guys got to understand that you're not going to win a lot of the trades. You're not going to win most of the trades even, but you need to understand that keep winning the 40%. It accumulates with the proper risk to reward. You keep accumulating, and here you guys will see I finished off the week with more losses than wins, guys. But still, we finished off the week in the green, 2.5R, $730. I multiplied it by 15 accounts because we got 2 of the accounts later in the week. Here you guys can see the total we finished close to. On a 40% win rate, losing more trades than we win. So understanding that, knowing your own edge, your own probabilities, that's the power of that. So I just want to show you guys the weekly figures. Overall, pretty solid week. Monday and Tuesday were a little iffy. We were letting the emotions get the best of us a little bit. Came into Wednesday ready and determined to fix that, fix my issues, fix my discipline, and just execute to the best of my abilities to plan the strategy and keep hitting it hard. And thankfully, it all worked out in our favor, and we finished off the week green. So finishing off on a positive note, all accounts are positive. We're building them up still. Some are still in a little bit of drawdown during the last couple of weeks when we were trying to figure out this strategy, convincing myself and figuring out what we needed to do. And now I'm thankful that I do have something that I trust a little bit more. I've done the back testing, over 200 trades on this, and now we're kind of forward testing and bringing it to the live markets. And you guys are seeing the type of results it has. So that's it for me, guys. I appreciate you guys. If you guys made it this far in the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and hope you guys had a good week too. I'll catch you guys Monday. Have a good weekend. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, guys. Peace.